Christmas is coming, and if you have an RC enthusiast on your list, or you're looking to just treat yourself, you need to know what's hot right now. I've narrowed it down to my top 5 picks for this holiday season. We've got everything from massive stunt trucks to the most realistic RC motorcycle you've ever seen. I have links for all of the vehicles down below in the description so you can check them out. So stick with me today as I'm going to break down why each of these made the list and exactly how much they cost so you can decide which one fits your budget. Let's get into it. Number 5. At number 5 comes in the Arrma Notorious 6S. Kicking off our list here at number 5 is the king of airtime, the Arrma Notorious 6S. If you're looking for pure fun, this is it. This is a 1/8 scale stunt truck designed for one thing: doing tricks. It has a short wheelbase which makes it backflip effortlessly, and the body looks like a classic 1950s truck. It runs on 6S power, meaning it is incredibly fast, over 60 miles per hour, and violent is the best way to describe it. It's built like a tank to handle the crashes that come with sending it 30 feet in the air. Now for price, you're looking at about $699 for this truck. It's important to know that you'll also need to buy a 6S battery and a charger separately, so make sure to factor that into your budget. But who is this truck for? Well, it is for a person who wants to go to the skate park or an open field and just put on a show. Number 4. At number 4, we are shrinking things down. This is the Arrma Mojave Grom. This is a small scale desert truck, 1/18 scale, but don't let the size fool you. It drives like one of the big trucks. It looks incredible with that realistic desert racer body, and because it's smaller, you can drive it in your backyard, driveway, or even a large living room. It features a clipless body mounting system, so no more lost body clips, and it's tough as nails. One of the toughest trucks Arrma actually makes. The standard brushed version is a steal at $169, making it the most affordable car on this list. But if you want more speed, the new 223S brushless version is around $230, and that one is excellent. So who is this truck for? Well, it's for beginners, kids, or anyone who wants a high quality RC they can drive almost anywhere without needing a massive field. Number 3. At number 3 comes in a brand new release that is shaking up the entry-level market, the Arrma Quake. This is part of Arrma's new 223S lineup, and it is a 1/10 scale 2-wheel drive monster truck. Being 2-wheel drive makes it a bit more challenging, but a bit more fun to drive. You can drift the rear end around and pop wheelies on command. The 223S means it's ready for 2S batteries for learning, or 3S batteries for over 50 miles an hour right out of the box. It also comes with a DSC, which stands for Dynamic Stability Control, which is an electronic aid that helps keep the truck straight if you lose control. It comes at a very competitive price at only $269. So who is this truck for? Well, it's for someone who wants that classic monster truck feel with big tires, big wheelies, but with modern brushless power and speed. Now, I do not currently own an Arrma Quake, but from everything I have read, this thing is absolutely amazing, and everyone around the world is enjoying this truck, and I think you'll enjoy it too. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is honestly my favorite Arrma of all time, the Arrma Fury 223S.
Yeah. This is the best thing I always made.
This is a short course truck. While the Quake is about wheelies and stunts, the Fury is about racing and realism, and don't forget bashing. The full fender body means you can bang wheels with other trucks without tangling tires, and we also coin it as the strongest Arrma of all time. It shares the same awesome 2-wheel drive platform with the Quake, so you get the brushless power and the stability control, but the longer chassis gives it better handling in the corners. It looks so realistic when it leans into a turn and kicks up dirt. Just like the Quake, this hits the sweet spot at $259. So who is this for? Well, the Arrma Fury is for the driver who loves realistic racing trucks, bashers who can feel confident in hitting big jumps and taking bad landings, and someone who just wants a car that handles precise turns rather than just backflips. Dun-dun-dun. Number 1! And finally, taking the number 1 spot, in my opinion, is the most innovative RC vehicle released in the last decade, the Losi Promoto MX. This isn't a car, it's a fully functional RC motorcycle that actually works. It uses a massive internal flywheel to keep it upright, so you can steer it, lean it, wheelie it, jump it, and it balances itself like magic. It looks incredibly real on the track. Sometimes you can't even tell it's RC footage based on the angle. The Losi Promoto is unlike any RC you've ever or will drive. It absolutely makes me laugh the whole time just watching this guy bounce around. This one will definitely take some getting used to, but will be the most fun fun you've had with an RC. Now, innovation isn't cheap, let's be honest. The Promoto MX comes in at $549 without the completer kit. So who is this for? Well, it's for someone who wants a completely different RC experience. If they already have had trucks and buggies, get them this. It is a completely new driving experience that will blow their mind, or your mind, on Christmas morning. So there you have it, my top 5 picks for Christmas. From the budget-friendly Mojave Grom to the mind-blowing Losi dirt bike. I've dropped links to the best prices for all of these in the description down below. If you grab one, let me know in the comments which one you're gonna pick. Merry Christmas, and thank you for watching so much, and I cannot wait to see you on the track with one of these beautiful machines.